Ever wondered if SEO is good for beginners? Let's unravel the enigma. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a tool that enhances a website's visibility on search engine results pages. So, if you're a beginner, you might be thinking, is SEO for me? The answer is a resounding yes. SEO is indeed beneficial for beginners. It's a key tool to enhance your website's visibility, draw in more visitors, and it's a highly valuable skill in our increasingly digital world. So, you see, SEO isn't just for the pros. It's for beginners too. But where do you start with SEO? Enter Authority Solutions, your guide in the SEO wilderness, simplifying your start. With Authority Solutions, starting with SEO is as easy as pie. Ready to take the plunge into the world of SEO? Unleash its benefits. Don't wait. Start your SEO journey today. And remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. See you soon.